Hi, my name is Carissa, and I work at a flea market doing secretary work and at my church as well. And I first started going to the chiropractor because I felt numbness down my left arm, and my neck would hurt so bad. I'd have all this pressure and tension, and I would be in pure misery all the time. And that's why I started going to the chiropractor.
Hi, my name is Miranda Bunge, and I am a special education teacher for Jefferson County Public Schools. And I started to see Dr. Jones because I was diagnosed with mild scoliosis in my lower back when I was quite young. And it's just been bothering me for a long time. And I was tired of going to regular primary care doctor and taking medications to try to mask the symptoms, the pain of my problem, and I just wanted to get to the root of the problem. So that's why I started to go see Dr. Jones, and he's been just a great help. It's been a real blessing. Not only do I have scoliosis, but I have a neurological condition called trigeminal neuralgia.
My name is Brittany, and I'm a secretary at MSD. The reason I started coming to Dr. Jones because my shoulder was out of place and I was having back problems and joint problems. It made my life really painful and difficult to do regular daily things, typing at work, driving for long periods of time, sleeping was broken, muscle spasms. I was struggling.
Hi, my name is Angela Yant. I started coming to Dr. Jones probably about 4 years ago. At that time, I was working as a accounts payable manager, and I sat at a desk all day long. I was either like this most of the day. Sometimes I twist and turn, mainly sitting all day long. My neck got so stiff that I could not even move.
Hi, my name is Bill. I retired from the federal government. I had worked in construction rep. I used to have a lot of pain in my lower back, and it got so bad sometimes that I was bent over, and also played a lot of tennis, and when my back would be hurting me, there's no way I could play. I'd have to get a sub. So, it would just be a throbbing pain in my lower back.
Hi, my name is Joe Bazanis, and I came to Dr. Jones because I had sciatica, or have sciatica, and I was also having arthritis pains or arthritic pains in my back. And I read about Dr. Jones in a health and wellness magazine and thought, if a guy can write an article for that, he must be a pretty good chiropractor. So I decided I was going to come by and have him take a look at me and see what he could help me with. I've been coming to him now for about 3 weeks, and he's just about got my sciatica gone. My back pain is much, much better than it ever was for years now, and I'm very happy with the progress that Dr. Jones is making with my medical problems, or structural problems, if you will.
I had previously gone to other chiropractors, and the difference in coming here and seeing Dr. Jones is I would be in pain the next day after I'd leave, and here I would feel better, and I could tell almost instantly that it was a dramatic difference in my adjustments coming to him. He knew exactly what I needed, and he would just go to that specific pain. And now I don't feel any pain like I used to feel. I don't feel the numbness and the tingling in my arm, and it's completely different from how it felt like before.
When I first started seeing Dr. Jones, I wasn't aware that he could actually help me with that. And I spoke with him about it, and I was just elated to find out that he could help me with that as well. And it's just been an awesome experience because in treating me for that, he's helped to alleviate the need to take pain medication, which was very detrimental to me. It really hurt me to have to take all the pain medication. And since seeing him and getting treatment, I haven't I think I've only taken maybe just a couple of pain pills in the past year. So it's just been totally awesome. So I would definitely recommend you come see Dr. Jones and get his healing hands.
Coming to the chiropractor has helped me a lot. I'm sleeping more peacefully. I've had less muscle spasms. My shoulders in alignment are getting back to where it needs to be. I'm not having a lot of issues sitting or driving anymore. If I drive for a long period of time, like 4 or 5 hours, I have issues, but day to day, I'm okay.
I come to Dr. Jones, and it was fantastic. Like I said, I've been here like 3 or 4 years. My neck originally was it, and then my back, and now I'm retired, and I kind of do things that I really shouldn't do. So when I do that, I'm right back up here. He's been wonderful. I have no neck pain, as you can see. I can bend. I can do anything I want to do. He's wonderful. I just come basically every month now just to make sure I stay in adjustment, and that's it. I mean, he's just been fine. I can move and do what all I want to do with my grandbabies.
So after coming to Dr. Jones and getting an x-ray and him deciding what my problem was, after 2 or 3 adjustments, I was already feeling a lot better, and continued to get adjustments once a week for a couple months, and I can say they totally took away the pain that I had, and I'm back to playing tennis. But when I do overextend myself, I give him a call and come back in for another adjustment, and he takes care of it.
Well, the staff is, you couldn't get better staff. They're like friends as opposed to people that work here. I mean, they know you by your first name. They're always got a smile on their face, always glad to see you. Will do anything they can to help you.